Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel iTech Analytics Solutions. This is the complete Power BI DAX Basic to Advanced series. This is our 28th video of this series, and in this video you'll be learning about date functions, and this is the part 1 of this video. Alright, so let's see what this date functions in DAX mean. Date functions actually help manipulate and extract information from date values in Power BI. And these functions are very crucial for building date-based calculations in reports. Let's see in this video, so I will be teaching you about day, month, year and date functions, and also in every function, say in the PDF or say in the presentation, I have given the link. When you click on this link, this will take you to the Microsoft website. There you get the syntax, explanation and even the examples of every functions I'm teaching. So you can use these links and you can learn more about all the functions which I'm actually teaching you. Alright, so first what we'll do is we'll learn about day, month, year, and next we'll be learning about date function. So for that what we'll do is we'll go to our Power BI desktop. Already I have taken some data here, and we'll see how we can work on day, month, year and date functions. First, let's say I want to extract day, month and year from a column which has got date. So here we have order date, and you can see there are some dates here. I want to extract day, month, year from this particular column. Let's go to this table tools. I have this new column, and once the column is created, you'll say function day of order date, close bracket, say enter. You can see that we'll get day of this order date. Suppose if you want to get month, so we can use the function month. Function month of order date, close bracket, say enter. So this will extract month. Now suppose if you want to extract year, so we'll say new column, and we can use function year of order date, enter. So this will extract the year. Now I can see I can use day, month, year function to extract day, month and year. Suppose if you think you want to get a complete date by day, month and year, just imagine that if the date is actually splitted into day, month, year in different columns, and if you want to combine this and get a date, so we can use a function called as date, which will give me the date by using day, month, year columns. Let's say function date of, you can read the parameter year. I'll take order year, comma, order month, order day. So I've used 3 parameters, year, month and day. Let's say enter. You can see we'll get the date. So likewise we can actually use day, month, year to extract day, month, year from the date column, and we can use day, month, year columns and we can convert that into date by using date functions. Apart from this, suppose you want to extract a day, month, year or even quarter or quarter number, we can use let's say I want to extract function, let's say quarter. We don't require any function here. Without function also we can extract the quarter. I'll just take this order date. You can see we have some of the values here. Say suppose if you think I want to extract quarter, you can say dot quarter, say enter, we'll get the quarter. Alright, so similarly, suppose if you think I want to get month name, So without function also we can use that. Let me just say I want the month name. Let me say get month name, order date, and I'll say month. If I say enter, we can extract month. So likewise, we can extract day, month, year also without function. You can try this. Say day, month, year. Also, you can extract without function. So likewise, we can use this date functions. There are some more date functions which we'll be discussing in our next video. All right. So suppose people, if you are actually planning for data analytics and data science courses, please do contact us on the number mentioned on screen, or you can also mail us to inquiry@its.inc. So we will be giving you more details on data science and data analytics courses. And also you can visit our website www.itsinc.in, where you have a lot of information about data analytics and data science. You can also log in and you can enroll for more courses which are completely free. And if you're not following on any of our social media portals, we are in YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. Please follow us and get more information about the data analytics and data science. To follow us, you can also use our links which are given in the description box. Use those links and please follow us. And I hope you like this video. This video was very informative. If you feel that it is very informative and very useful, please give a like and a thumbs up. And also, please don't forget to give your suggestions and comments in the comment box. And if you feel that this video was very useful, and if you think it is also useful for others, please do share this video for others as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next